Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Lexus IS200T maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here on the right side of the steering wheel. Up, down, left, right, middle for enter, menu, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. This screen is a little cool. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. That's double click your start button without your foot on the brake. And as you can see, maintenance required. Now go ahead and press that menu button. There you go, guys. That's the part where I like. Now go ahead and use the right or left. Actually, every time you see this, go ahead and click back. As you can see right there, it says click back. Okay, now go ahead and scroll right to go find your page, which is here in setting. Go ahead and enter on setting. Now scroll down to schedule maintenance. Enter on it. Scroll up to yes and enter on yes. Now go back. Go down to oil maintenance. Enter on it. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.